Dependencies for Azure DevOps users. Dependencies are a way to show that a card cannot be completed unless another card is completed. On your program board, a dependency will be visible as a line that will show the direction of the dependencies, from the card where the dependency must be completed first to the card that is blocked by the other work that needs to be completed. Creating a dependency. There are 3 ways to create a dependency in Kendis. First, by hovering on the right upper corner dependency symbol on the card and then clicking the plus symbol. Next, click the card you want to link. Now the dependency window will appear. You will select the link type, the status, and the target resolution date. You may also add a summary and description and choose the responsible person for the dependency. To create the dependency, click Save. You may also want to drag and connect the dependencies. To do so, drag the red dependency symbol to the card you want to link and fill in the relevant information. If you have a board with a lot of cards, it may be difficult to find the card you want to link. To make this easier, you can use the search function to create a dependency. In this example, we will create a dependency between stories. Hover on the right upper corner dependency symbol on the card and then click on the icon next to the plus symbol. Click the Create by Search button. Next, search for the card you want to link for the dependency. Now that the card has been selected, the rest of the dependency information can be filled out. Viewing dependencies. To view an individual dependency, click on the dependency symbol on the card. When viewing, we can update the status of the dependency. As we update the status of this dependency, the line color will change to reflect the new status. The dependency color will be shown below the link type. To view all dependencies, click More and click Dependencies. Now we see a view of all dependencies and can filter our view of them. Here we can filter by feature, story, or view dependencies that are not visible as lines on the board. Viewing the filter Not Visible as Lines, we see items that have dependencies that are on the backlog. By clicking back to view all dependencies, we can filter on status using the drop-down. Dependencies in ADO. If Azure DevOps links are not appearing on the board, go to Board Settings and click Edit Board Settings. Under Additional Settings, check to see if Azure DevOps dependencies are enabled. If not, click to enable Azure DevOps dependencies and then choose the link types to enable. If you do not see Azure DevOps links, please check Board Settings. If you do not see Board Settings and Edit Board Settings, then ask your admin to enable it. For more information, visit help.kendis.io.